Guys, today we got a ARE TW series. Fits the 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with the 6.5 foot bed. Burgundy in color. This is a pretty decent unit. Doesn't have a lot of damage on it. Got a couple small nicks. Got one right there. A couple chips right there. Another little chip right there. A couple on this top corner. Not really sure why so far high up there, but it is. Down through here, sporadically, you got stone chips here and there, but they're not too bad. So you got a couple right there's one, and a couple up there. A little bit of a scratch right there, and then this chip out there. Side looks really good. Two small chips right there. Bottom edge looks good all the way down through there. That's a spot right there below the window where they've touched it up, looks like. Bottom, like I said, the whole bottom edge looks really nice. Even between the two windows here, looks good, no damage there. And above this side window. Does have the single bay window with a sliding side window in the front side. In the front of the truck is a picture window. Couple chips right there. Right there. Just some minor chips again on this leading edge. A couple up here. This has a little bit of a, I don't know, it's not really scratches. I don't even know what that is. It's almost like paint. Like a paint marker or something. Bottom edge looks good. Side got the picture window in the front here. This side we got a couple chips on the top here. It's just pretty much like the other side, sporadic little stone chips here and there. A couple right there. A couple scratches right there. Right there. Got a couple on the back corner there. But then you get down low, nothing looks really good. Bottom edge looks good a little bit here as well. All the way down through here. Does have a small chip right there. And then a little chip right there. Top above the window looks good. Not seeing anything major with that. And between the two windows it looks good. Same thing on this side. We've got the sliding window in the front, the single bay window in the back. Double T handle in the back door. Locking door. Whoops. Looks good. No major paint damage there. Third brake light. So then we got the same scratches we looked at earlier today. Double T handle. Inside is just bare fiberglass. Doesn't look like there's any major leaks in here. Looks nice and clean. Screens on this side is pretty. Got a couple holes in it. It's got a big hole there in the screen. A couple more there and a couple more there. So the screen's got several holes in it. There's a sliding window, so it does open for ventilation, like so. And closes back up. Front window is a tilt-in picture window, so that tilts down. That allows you to drop the window in so that you can clean the front of the glass here. And then clean the back of the truck cab windows, and then you can flip this back up, close this up, latch it down, and then seal that back up again. The side, the screen is completely tore out, looks like. And it would need a new screen put in this side, but screens are fairly easy to do. Unless you wanted to use it for access through it, which is maybe why they took the screen out. Some people do that. Serial number right there. It's built specifically for 15 Chevy GMC 2500 3500 double cab, 8-foot bed. The 66 red is the color. Oops, got stuck trying to get off underneath it. So there it is. It's an ARE. It does say action cover on it, but that is just a rebranded ARE model. So it is an ARE TW series. It's a 14 to 18 Chevy GMC trucks with a 6.5 foot bed. 66 red in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, you can purchase those all online as well. Also, if you're looking for something specific, you want to stay up to date on any inventory coming in, we upload stuff right away. Get it to our website and get it online. Subscribe below to keep up to date on that stuff. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. I need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.